My name is Niyi Amuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually retouch your images and make it better. There are two apps right here that we're going to be using. The first is this guy called Snapseed. Okay, that is the first app we'll be using. It's called Snapseed. All right, the second is this app right here called Lightroom. Okay, this guy here. All right, we'll be using Lightroom also. All right, so without any waste of further time, let us jump right into the video, guys. So we're going to go over to the first application we're going to be using. It is called Lightroom. So open Lightroom. Right. All right, so this is Lightroom. It has been opened. I'm going to go over to images. Now before that, if you want to add a new image on Lightroom, this is how to do it. If you want to add a new image, you're just going to click here, this plus right there. So when you click on that plus icon, the image you select the image and then the image will be added here. All right, so the image will appear here. You will see it that it has been added. So once that be added, then you can click on all photos and then you just get the image that you want to use right here. This one has already been worked upon, so it's looking even better. So I don't want this one, so I'm going to go back here. I'm going to get the one that has not been worked upon. All right, so to get that, I'm going to go to the plus. All right, I'm going to go to this one and I'm going to add it. So when you click on it, just watch, be watching here, you will see that it will be added. It is 40 you are seeing there now, right? It's 40, but watch now is going to become 41 shortly. All right, the photo has been added. All right, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to bring in, this is the image that I'll be working on. Okay, so this is it. You can see how it is. You can see that it is very, very poor. All right, so let's go. The first thing I want to do is to go right here. This is light. All right, exposure makes the photo to receive so much light. All right, so I'm going to just do that a little of it small like this. Okay, then contrast does this. It adds a lot of kind of a color, right, to your design. All right, it is almost similar to saturation, though saturation in the minus, in the negative, totally remove the color from the photo, but whereas contrast reduce the color. All right, reduce the brightness a little. Okay, so let's leave it here. So for shadow, we're just going to go over here. All right, so shadow adds darkness to the design, as you can see. Let me increase this so we'll see it very well. So I'm going to use it a little of it like this. All right, now I'm going to go over to this guy here and I'm going to increase clarity. Clarity add more pixels to your photo, just like you can see, and makes it come alive. All right, then texture, I'm going to reduce this. All right, texture will do this to your photo. Are you seeing that now? But so I want to reduce it. All right, to make the face smoother. All right, then we can go over to sharpness and then I'm going to increase it. All right, then I'm going to take details up also. Now this is the comparison. Hold the photo to see the original. This is the original before, as you can see there, and this is after. Before, after. Okay, so let's still do a little more work. So we're going to go over to this guy here. Let's go over to what is it? Yeah, this guy here says, this guy here is let me tell you what it means. This one here is auto. All right, so if you click on it, it will do this, bring your picture at. All right, okay, there is much red in the face, so I'm going to go to color right here. There, I'm going to click on just red, and I'll reduce this. All right, reduce this. All right, so overall temperature, tint, vibrance does this to your photo. Okay, then saturation, like I said, it adds more of the colors in the photo to it, or less of it, like this. So I'm just going to put it here, 6. All right, are you seeing that now? So compare this with the original design. Look at it. This is the original design before, and this is after. This is before, hold it, before, and this is after. Okay, so this is what you do to bring out your photo a little more better than the first one. So I'm going to click on this guy here. Let me show you. I'm clicking on this guy here. This guy is called profile. So I'm clicking on profile. All right, so I'm going to choose artistic 6, or you decide on what to choose based on what you want. So look at it very well. Your eyes are seeing all the samples that are giving you here, so just look at it and you know what you want. All right, so just choose the one that you want. So I'm choosing this. All right, you see the difference? You see that now? All right, so we are good to go. I can save this, and then I will do something else to it. Now I have saved. Save to. Right, so you click here to save it. All right, this is it. Click here to save. Okay, so I'm saving it now. It has been saved. Now that it has been saved, I'm going to go and open this guy here, Snapseed. Right here in Snapseed, I'm going to import this design. This is it. All right, then I'm going to do something to it now. First and foremost, let me go over to here. Okay, I'm going to go to portrait. Now right here in portrait, you notice that I'm going to smoothen the skin. Right, then I'm going to, you see eye clarity, I'm going to do this to the eye. Okay, it's too much, just a little of it. All right, all right. Okay, then face spotlight, I'll increase this. All right, look at this and look at this. Now I'm going to go over to detail, and I will increase this. All right, okay, then I'll go to image, and I will work on these guys. Okay, so this is the final result now. All right, compare it with this one. This is before. Compare it with this one, and also with this one. You can see that the difference is very, very clear. All right, don't forget to like this video and share it to more persons. and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyi Amuda, and I will see you in another tutorial. You can check the description of this video for a link to download the 2 apps that I mentioned or that I use in this tutorial. I'll see you.